अभी आपको बराह रास्त लिए चलेंगे। वफाकी वज़ीर दाखिला मोहसिन नकवी इस वक्त कराची में तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Stopping illegal immigrants, apprehension of narcotics, and action against illegal trawling. Pakistan Coast Guard soldiers have suffered losses while performing their challenging duties. Today's drug destruction ceremony is a powerful declaration that we will not allow narcotics cartels to use Pakistan's land and its waters for its illegal activities, and continue to work for betterment of our people and humanity. On this great occasion, it is my profound privilege to induct these two state-of-the-art boats into Pakistan Coast Guard fleet. These inductions will contribute to enhance reach and response of Pakistan Coast Guard across our customs waters. I have firm belief that if we equip our Coast Guards well, it can become a very powerful law enforcement agency, and we are working on it. With the help of the Prime Minister, we will be getting, inshallah, more boats for our Pakistan Coast Guards. The induction of new boats and support plans are part of these objectives. We honored that legacy by adding these boats with the names that represent the spirit of Pakistan founders. The first boat shall be known as RHIB Jinnah, a tribute to the father of the nation. The second boat shall bear the name RHIB Iqbal, inspired by our national poet who dreamt for Pakistan independence. May these names inspire every officer and soldier of Pakistan Coast Guards to uphold the legacy of vision and wisdom they represent. I am sure with greater power and speed, these boats shall empower Pakistan Coast Guards to effectively enforce laws at sea. In the end, I pray that may
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।